Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make jerk chicken. Jerk chicken is an authentic Jamaican chicken recipe that is filled with lots of flavor and incredible taste. Stay tuned and see how this is made. Now, to make this jerk chicken recipe, start by bringing your chicken into a dish or a bowl. I'm using a bone-in chicken, so you can use the thighs together with the drumsticks. So as you can see, I've already cleaned up my chicken. I washed it thoroughly and I've made incisions on the surface of the chicken. This will allow the rich marinade to penetrate nicely. So I'm just patting this dry to get rid of excess water. Next, go ahead and drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over the chicken. Season this with some salt, crushed chicken stock cubes. That will help kick up the flavor of this jerk chicken. And then go in with all-purpose seasoning. And generously add your jerk seasoning to this. So I'm going to put the link to the video so you can see how it's made. My jerk seasoning is really rich and is made with a combination of different herbs and seasoning. So you can check the video out and see how it's made. And lastly, I'm drizzling some browning for an extra color to this jerk chicken. So once we've added all the seasoning, I'm just going to use my hands to mix this up. So when you're mixing this, be sure to wear some gloves because the jerk seasoning contains Scotch bonnet, which is really spicy and very hot. So you don't want your hands to get hot while mixing this. You can also leave the skin of the chicken and push in some of the marinade. Okay, you want the chicken to be totally covered with the rich marinade. Once we are done covering the entire chicken with the marinade, we are going to seal this up with a cling film. Then we are going to place this in the fridge for 3 hours. You can also do this overnight and allow the chicken to absorb all the rich marinade. After about 3 hours or overnight of leaving your chicken in the fridge, it should be well marinated. So you get your grill ready. So I've just lined mine with a foil paper just for easy cleaning. And then I'm just going to transfer the marinated chicken to the grill. You can use an outdoor grill, but I'm going to be using my oven to grill this. So you make sure you create space between them. Don't overcrowd the chicken pieces. Let's plug this into the preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes to an hour. Just after 35 minutes of cooking our jerk chicken in the oven, I'm just going to flip this over to the other side. You can see we are making progress. This is beginning to cook already. And I'm just going to go ahead and baste the other side of the chicken with the remaining marinade which I have left behind. So I'm done. I'm taking it back into the oven. You can broil your chicken towards the ending part for a better browning. Your jerk chicken is out of the oven. You can resist that beautiful char. And the aroma is so irresistible. This was how to make a delicious jerk chicken in the oven. I hope you try this recipe out. Let me know what you think about this easy jerk chicken in the comment section below. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so before you leave here. Until next time guys, bye.